In this quick LearnWorlds tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up Sumo for your platform, and I'll give you some insights along the way that might make you rethink your options for increasing conversions and boosting your business. Stick around till the end because I'll also be sharing an exclusive extended free trial for the software, plus some alternatives that might be a better fit for your specific needs. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Let's dive right into it. First, after logging into your LearnWorlds account, head to the Settings section. This is where we'll set up the Sumo integration. You want to make sure you're ready to boost your website with pop-ups, forums, and various call to actions using Sumo. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Integrations tab in LearnWorlds. Here, you'll search for Sumo in the available integration options. Once you find it, click Add to enable it. This is where things start getting exciting because once this is connected, you'll have access to Sumo's tools that help capture email leads, grow your audience, and increase your conversions right from your LearnWorlds platform. Now, once the integration is complete, go to your Sumo dashboard. You'll need to create a new campaign. Just select the type of pop-up or form you want to use. Whether it's an email capture form or a promotional pop-up, Sumo gives you tons of flexibility. But don't rush through it. Spend some time customizing the design so it aligns with your brand's look and feel. You don't want a generic pop-up that doesn't match your site. The fourth thing you'll need to do is configure the behavior settings for the Sumo tools on your LearnWorlds platform. This is important because you'll be deciding when and where your pop-ups will appear. Do you want it after someone scrolls 50% of the page? Or maybe after a certain amount of time on the site? You can fine-tune these settings to optimize for the best user experience and conversion rates. After setting up your pop-ups, forms, and settings, it's time to test everything. Go back to your LearnWorlds site and interact with it as if you were a customer. Make sure those pop-ups trigger correctly and check whether the leads are being captured and stored properly in your Sumo dashboard. So that's the process of setting up Sumo for your LearnWorlds platform. While Sumo does offer some great options, here's the thing. Some users find it a bit lacking in terms of advanced features when compared to other tools out there. It's great for basic pop-ups and email capture, but if you're looking for something that can scale with more robust marketing automation and higher customization, you might want to explore other alternatives. Before you go ahead and implement the setup, let me share an exclusive perk with you. If you choose to use Sumo, there's an extended free trial available through our link that gives you access to more features than the regular free plan. However, I also want to recommend a couple of alternatives that might serve your needs better for growing your LearnWorlds platform. These tools offer great features, higher customization, and better integration options, all with their own free trials that you can access. Through our exclusive link, you'll get the best free trial and benefits only available to our viewers. So, check out the description below for all the details and take advantage of these awesome offers.